So hello everyone! Maayong hapon sa tanan. Welcome to Cebu Ocean Park's Amphitheater. By the way, my name is PJ. I'm gonna be your host for this afternoon. Now our next featured bird, just like any married couples, monogamous. Meaning, there'll be partners for a lifetime. Sana all na. Really romantic, isn't it? But as any couples would attest, in our relationships, there always be battles. Now, let's meet our beautiful parrot, Blue and Gold Macaw. Blue and Azul. And today, they will battle it over who is the best in the basketball game. But before we continue, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. For all the boys, we'll cheer for Blue. Come on, boys! Say go Blue, go Blue. And all the girls will cheer for Azul. Come on, girls, say go Azul, go Azul. Okay, so are you guys ready for the basketball game? Are you guys ready for the basketball game? Okay, so birds ready, trainers ready, get set, go! Now here come both birds to the table. First ball for both birds, second ball for both birds, and the last ball. Who's gonna win? Who wins this game? It's alright, so I guess the girls deserves another round. So I think let's do a re-race. Now, the mechanics of this game is the first bird who can drop all 3 rings into the pool. The fastest is the winner. Well, that's a ring race. Okay, so are you guys ready for the second round? Now, birds ready, trainers ready, get set, go! Now, here comes Blue for the first ring, leading the way. Here comes for the second wave. What is this? Here we come, the second climb. What a clever play by the girls. And the winner is Azul. How about a round of applause for Blue and Azul? So, dito to mga technique guys, no? Now this time I need an adult volunteer with a 20 peso bill. I need a volunteer, just raise your hand. 20, 50, 100 peso bill, any bills will do. Nakita ko volunteer. Okay, you men, please come down here and join me here in the front and bring with you your money